5 bays, vacuum cleaner here, 2 there, 4 along the side, 2 at the back, plenty of vacuums, plenty of room, trees for shade, very visible from the road driving by. What a great, cool car wash. G'day viewers, Chris Atkins here, welcome back to my channel, The Car Wash Chronicles. Very special day today. It's not only is it the 7th of February, but it's my birthday, 37. Am I 37? Yeah, 37. You don't have to, I'm just saying. If you want to go in the comments and maybe wish me happy birthday, go ahead. If you don't, don't. But I appreciate it. What are we doing today? We're gonna drive up to Santa Barbara. And why are we going to Santa Barbara?
Me?
Yeah, don't be shy, talk.
For your birthday.
For my birthday? No, what's the real reason we're going?
We're going to Santa Barbara International Film Festival because I'm in a movie.
Whatever she said. We're going to the National Film Festival.
Santa Barbara International Film.
You're gonna go walk the red carpet and we're gonna bring you guys along. Of course, I'm gonna try and squeeze in a car wash visit because that's what I do. Whenever I leave home, I like to find car washes. And there might be a special appearance from a special guest. His name is Uncle Stu. So let's go to Santa Barbara. I'm not going. But before we have any fun and get to where we're going, I gotta do what I do, and that's work out. Ain't that right?
Yes.
Work out. This is a weird way to get to the gym. Through a creepy corridor. Interesting. Never been to a gym in this location before. Don't make it. Don't make it. Done. I'm now walking down this weird corridor again to try and exit, and we're gonna head to Santa Barbara, find a car wash, say g'day to Uncle Stu, and see what's going on in the world. My Uber is here. My Uber is here for Chris. To the hotel, Harbor View Inn, Santa Barbara. Beautiful sunny Saturday, palm trees, beach. Oh, Harbor View Inn, and look at this. Hi, what's your name? Standard, nothing crazy, just a typical hotel room. Okay. Very secure. Cute little balcony. Oh, you can see the neighbors. Not too shabby. There's no ocean view, but screw it. So this is why one of the reasons we're here is the Santa Barbara Film Festival for you, superstar. There it is back to front. You'll figure it out. So we are at the Bluefish Grill and we just got some clam chowder.
Oh yeah.
I don't think you can fit any more in there if you tried, but we're gonna dig in. Oyster time. And the main meal is here. Oh my goodness. Lobster roll, fish and chips. Oh, it's hot. Off the chart.
It's hotter.
Very hot. Oh, I forgot to put the lemon on it. Now I'm gonna have another bite. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now we have stuffed ourselves. I am so full. It's the moment you have all been waiting for, the moment of truth. Self-serve car wash time. This one is a few blocks from the beach. It's the closest one that I found, so we're gonna go check it out. I don't know if it's amazing. I don't know if it sucks. It's Saturday, it's beautiful, so it might be a little busy. I'm gonna see what I can do. There it is on the corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bays. 3 bays full out of the 5. One car seems to be waiting, but they're probably friends because there's a couple of open bays and a few vacuums. Very interesting location. It's kind of cool. So far I like it. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Well, I can see that one of the vacuums has a missing nozzle. You can see that on the ground. Saturday. Someone should be here checking things. But there's customers. Interesting. I think I'm gonna take that end bay so I can film. Yeah, sneak on through here, pull on in. What wide bays? These are wide bays, very cool. Nice palm tree. Let's go. Whew. Like I said, wide bays. I love it. I love wide bays. Looking at it first glance, we have a high pressure hose, very long, dragging along the ground. We have no more hoses here. We have a tire cleaner brush, separate hose, and a soap brush. So we're missing the pre-soak from the coil hose and we're missing an air dryer. But this is what it looks like. Let's go to the bill changer. Let's get this thing started, see how it works. Face plates are looking worse for wear. No credit cards. Got an 8 function, 2 stops, so it's really just probably tire cleaner, soap, brush, rinse, wax. There's like 5 or 6 functions, $4 for 4 minutes. Pretty expensive. There's probably no other car wash around, that's why. No quarters. Well, we have a nice little cubby area. We got plenty of vending machines with new decals looking spick and span. Good job. All right, let's give this thing a shot. Works. I can't read that. Dollar coins. So they dispense dollar coins, which is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and start this thing up. No horn, no timer. So it doesn't show anything. It should start now, but it's a non-weep tire cleaner. So let's go check it out. Please, please. Train right there. Freeway right there. Here we go. Okay. Seen better, seen worse, but I can't really complain about that. Plenty of soap going on. And you can scrub it up, dub it. So there we go. Doesn't look like tire cleaner chemical though. Usually it's a green. This just looks like regular soap. Look at me pointing things out. Next, high pressure SOAP. There we go. Good pressure, pretty decent. Let's hose down the bay for them. Be a good customer. Ooh, car's dirty. Hey, look at that. What a good amount of soap. Very cool. Good job, Ventura or Santa Barbara. Good job, Santa Barbara. Represent. Wow, very good. That's 2 for 2. We'll give the thumbs up to the tire cleaner. We'll give a thumbs up to the high pressure soap. Foam brush. Big test, big foaming brush. So far it's coming. Wow, pretty good. Yeah, a good amount of soap right there. Nice and foamy. Cannot complain about it. Wow, I'm actually giving the car a decent wash. All right, cool. Yeah, I'm not going to complain about that. It comes out slightly slow, just to nitpick and be a total asshole. But no, it's good. Thumbs up. Good for them. Rinse. Let's clear the lines and then get the wax going. Get out of there, soap. Get out of there. All right, wax. Wax. Ooh, low pressure wax. It's a low pressure wax. And it should be coming now. Yep, there it is. I see wax. There it is. Cool, what a great amount. You can hear the air kick in. I like that. I almost like it better than my high pressure wax. Gives it like a nice V spread on the whole car. I'm a fan. Spot-free rinse. Get the wax out. Get out of there, wax. What you doing in the lines, wax? Spot-free, awesome. Great pressure. Cool, everything works. I'm impressed. Anyway, let's go ahead. Put it on rinse. Rinse off the soap. Done. Car is clean. Only thing I would nitpick, obviously there's upgrades that can be done. Pre-soak, air dryers, add them in, keep them in the bays longer. There's no timer on the faceplate, so I didn't know how much time I had left. So a timer would be good, so you can look over, oh, I got 2 minutes left, I got 1 minute left, because I was halfway done with the spot free and then I ran out of time, I didn't know. And credit cards, they're missing credit cards. That's a huge revenue generator. So credit cards, air dryers, pre-soak, lots of upgrades to be done, lots of income to jack up, because right now they're just getting the bare basic. $4 for 4 minutes. It's on the higher side. Again, everything worked great. I was very happy with how everything worked. So I don't mind paying that, you know. If nothing really worked, then I would feel ripped off. But everything worked, everything was great. So I can't be mad about it. $4 for 4 minutes, things work, so I'm happy about it. Good job, Ventura Car Wash. Okay, I just put over to the vacuum area. It's a very big lot. Plenty of room for cars to line up and wait. 5 bays. Vacuum cleaner here, 2 there, 4 along the side, 2 at the back, plenty of vacuums, plenty of room, trees for shade, very visible from the road driving by. What a great, cool car wash. Nice, beautiful Saturday, sunny, and that's why it's busy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cars at the vacuums, 4 in the bays, and that's how it should be. I did notice this, missing the nozzle. People always take them off, and I noticed I had a coin jam. So I won't be able to use this vacuum, but that's all right because there's plenty of others. And the other thing is they only take dollar coins. They don't take quarters. So I would probably switch out the coin acceptor or program the coin acceptor to take quarters as well, because so many people come to the car wash with quarters in hand. But if you come to the car wash with quarters only, you're not going to be able to use them. I wonder if this vacuum is good because there's a gap between that door, so the air is going to escape. They need to be a little tighter. Looks like they have problems with people breaking in, so they got the locks, zip tie, but they need to be suction sealed in order to suck really powerful. But let's go ahead and change. I got quarters on me, but I got to change the dollar into dollar coins, so let's go do it. Man, look at this big truck bay, super high ceilings. We got the stairs, and I know why the hoses are so long. Look at that one. It's because the bays are so big, so you want to be able to take it all the way around. That's a little excessive, I think. But just there where it's like an inch off the ground, that's perfect. That's good. Got my dollar, it's going in. Woo! Pretty good, I'd say it's like 85, maybe 90% compared to the best it could be. When it's on, it sucks them closed, so not the biggest issue. Let's put it to the test. See if we can get that. Whoop. Right in the middle. Yeah, probably like 85%, which again, I'm not going to complain about. Universal, because it's still going to pick up the crumbs, so it's enough to do the job. There we go, it's enough of that. All right, that's it, we're done, we're out of here. One last drive through, 4 out of the 5 bays. This bay's dry, so I'm sure there's a coin jam. And that's just a classic example of just having coins, because if it's jammed, no one can use it. Can't see it jam, but the bay is dry, and on a Saturday where it's busy, shouldn't be dry. So if they had bill acceptors in the bays, if they had credit cards in the bays, people could still use it, but with coins only and with the coin jam, no bueno. But we're out of here. There goes that. Busy car wash Saturday. Few blocks from the beach. It's about 3 blocks from the beach in beautiful Ventura County. So what do you guys think of that car wash? I thought it was pretty good. Very impressed. So what am I doing now? Walking the beach, Santa Barbara. I've got the pier, got the palm trees, got a little music going. Living the dream. What's that hair doing? Just put that back in place. That's better. So anyway, this was kind of more of a vlog style, you know. I showed a little workout, showed some food, showed a little lifestyle. Let me know what you guys think about it. You like seeing stuff outside of car washes, or you solely just want to see car wash stuff? Kind of gets boring after a while, you know. I can only show so much car wash stuff, so many self-serve car washes. Whenever I travel, I show self-serve car washes. You guys might be getting bored. I mean, the views still keep going up, so I can't complain. You guys are showing interest, but let me know if you want to see more lifestyle stuff, things I do outside of the car wash. But anyway, here I am at the beach, Santa Barbara. I appreciate each and every one of you for watching my videos. Motivates me to keep going. If no one watched, I wouldn't post anymore. Anyway, that's going to be it. I'm going to go run in the water, cool off. Thanks for watching. I'm Chris Atkins with the Car Wash Chronicles. See you all next time. Who's that? Is that Uncle Stu? We've hit that time, wine o'clock. We got Uncle Stewie here.
1 o'clock, that's me, 1 o'clock.
Wine o'clock. Cheers to me and my birthday in Santa Barbara.
Yeah. Good wine. Wine
Yeah.
for 120 bucks.
You don't need to spit over the balcony? Car Wash Chronicles is in a suit. It's rarely happening, but it's happening right now. We are on our way to... Where are we going?
We're going to the Santa Barbara International Film Festival world premiere of California Scenario.
Whatever she said. We'll see you there. I see the movie theater. There's a big crowd up ahead. I see a red carpet. We're gonna try and sneak on. Pretty lights.
I love financial reference.